Welcome to Crack a Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Zendikar Rising. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a copy token, followed by a forest, a Kiri Fearless Voyager, Umara Wizard, with Umara Skyfalls on the back, Thwart the Grave, Allied Assault, Subtle Strike, Sneaking Guide, Nimana Sky Dancer, Mesa Lynx, Might of Marasa, Cliffhaven Sellsword, Ghoul-Draz MacLeod, Expedition Diviner, Prowling Felidar, and Cleansing Wildfire. So again, Cleansing Wildfire, Prowling Felidar, Expedition Diviner, Ghoul-Draz MacLeod, Cliffhaven Sellsword, Might of Marasa, Mesa Lynx, Nimana Sky Dancer, Sneaking Guide, Subtle Strike, Allied Assault, Thwart the Grave, Umara Wizard, with Umara Skyfalls on the back, a Kiri Fearless Voyager, which for 1, a red and a white, is a 3/3 legendary creature that says whenever you attack a player with one or more equipped creatures, draw a card. And for white, you may unattach an equipment from a creature you control. If you do, tap that creature and it gains indestructible until end of turn. So this is really nice for being able to move equipment around and having additional upsides for your equipment. Just getting that card draw when a equipped creature attacks, but then also being able to unattach it for just a white is really nice. So you're able to get, your Great Axe that you have equipped to someone, to another creature, or even just getting it off of that creature so you can attach it later, or because you're going to want to run that creature into something and you would rather the creature live without the artifact, without the equipment, rather than it hit and, die from it hitting a wall. Like, since this is happening at instant speed, right? Yeah, this would be at instant speed. You could do this while you're in the middle of combat, and it unattaches, the creature gets indestructible. Sure, it runs into a big blocker, but it's indestructible, so it doesn't really matter. The equipment goes off to the side. You can pay to attach it later, and your creature's safe, and you can do it all again next turn. It's a very Boros thing to do, so red-white equipment obviously just makes sense. I like it. This might even be a commander I use for a equipment deck. It's something I've been considering doing for a while, and this seems like it might be the right body to actually be the figurehead of that deck, be the commander for that deck. Our land for the pack was a forest, and then we have a copy token at the back. So that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.